Okay, so it is day one of packing for New Zealand for my first international event as a vendor. I'm going to pack up some stuff that I don't really need, that I only need for events, because I don't leave for another 6 days, but I want to be prepared because I have the weekend and then I have Monday off work. So I only really have Tuesday, Wednesday to prepare everything, like packing pre-orders, packing everything else, testers, perfumes, etc. So I'll show you what I have in my suitcase so far. So I have here my boxes. If you can see that, ignore the mess. This is how it is when I get organized for an event because I have to prepare everything. I have all my pamphlets, flyers, business cards in these boxes. I pack all my little boxes for display so they don't get squished. POS system. I have my plaque in there, my Aura and Alchemy plaque. I have this because I put all the perfumes in there that I need to get when a customer buys them. Tablecloths, face wipes, which comes in handy when there's lots of testing going on with the perfumes, just to wipe up any oils or anything like that. Can you see a little head in there? That is my kitten scratching up my carpet. Excellent. Hello. What are you doing? Thanks for scratching up the carpet. That's beautiful. And then no event ever seems to have a bin, so I'm just taking a little thing because I always end up with rubbish at the end of the day. I have my bags tucked in here. I have new bags, but I want to use up the paper bags first, and a lot more goes into this. I have everything in like organized bags. This isn't fully full yet. I have my Aura and Alchemy pens. So they're free. If you ever see me at an event, please come and get one of these pens because they are the best freaking pens ever. And I've had more compliments on these pens than the damn perfumes. Not really, but I do get compliments on these perfumes. The black roses for table decor. I have the coffee, so when you smell too many fragrances or perfumes, you know, everything starts smelling the same. So there's the coffee beans that refreshes your palate. So that's what I have so far. Of course, the absolute essential, which is my Kindle, is going to come with me. I have a lot more to pack, which are obviously the perfumes, the testers. I need to pack my pre-orders. So yeah, follow along and I'm going to take you on the whole weekend. Hello. So it's Sunday now. My packing journey is going really well. So I'm going to sit down and clean up my testers that I have on my table for the perfumes. Going to check their labels, clean up anything in the lids because everyone's using the testers all day. They do tend to get a little bit messy. So that's my job now. And then I'm going to pack the testers and then that bit's done. And we can continue packing all the rest of the stuff during the week. 4 more sleeps. Oh my gosh, 3 more sleeps till New Zealand, my first international book convention. Today I'm going to pack pre-orders. They're all going to find spots in my suitcase and probably my carry-on baggage as well. And then I think if I do have time, because today is a short time that my kids are in care, I will try and pack all the perfumes that are going to be my stock, so obviously for sale, and let's get that done. Okay, so pre-orders are packed. I need to actually pack them in my suitcase now. It took way longer than I thought, which is a good problem to have because I have so many pre-orders, which is amazing. So let's pack them into the suitcase and then we'll pack the perfumes. We'll have to pack the perfumes tomorrow. Here we are, 2 sleeps away from flying to New Zealand, 4 sleeps away from the actual book convention. And I'm just going to get the most important prep of all, a pedicure. Good morning. Oh my goodness. So we have 1 more sleep until New Zealand. So I'm super excited. I'm bouncing around. I've got hubby to do drop off today, so I get a little bit of extra time. So it's all steam ahead. Is that right? Oh my goodness. I don't know. But all I have to do pretty much is pack my perfumes, so my stock, and then I have to get some orders packed and out. And then I'm going to wrap up my admin for the week. I usually do that on a Friday. Then because I'm an organizational freak, I'm going to do it all today. Oh my gosh, what else am I going to do? Make sure that clothes are packed. I've got everything, got warm clothes because it's going to be quite chilly there. Chilly, I mean, I'm half Canadian, so it's not going to be too chilly for me, but it's still going to be colder than where I live in Australia. Okay, so we have the essential bag packed, of course, Kindle, passports, mints, hand sanitizer, which I don't even know, I'll get on the plane. We've got everything packed in here. This is my baby, this is my plaque. I've got clothes in here, shoes, a little bit of my shelf that won't fit in the other suitcase. Here is the mighty suitcase, kitty sleep in. So it has everything in it. I pack everything in bags and Ziploc bags because it is a liquid. And all my beautiful pre-orders are under there. It is a big one, this one. And I'm kind of worried because this has happened. So you know what? I'm just going to duct tape it and hope for the best with that one. Good morning. So it's very bright and early. It's just before 4 a.m, 3:55 to be exact. I'm waiting for my friend who is also a vendor at the book convention in New Zealand, and we are driving to the airport together, so we're almost there. Okay, so I have made it to the airport. Yay! I'm going to say goodbye now. Thank you for watching me pack up for Book Convention New Zealand. I am going to take videos of the whole weekend, so I'll also post that. And I do so many events, so I'm excited to take you to every book convention that I go to as a vendor, and maybe even an attendee. I am going to one in August. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more. Like, share. If you don't want to subscribe, that's totally fine. Hit the like, it goes a long way. See you next time.